Guys, and welcome to today's video. My name is Janay.Rachelle. Over here on my channel, I do cleaning, DIYs, organization, and mom life. So if that is the type of content that you enjoy, then make sure you guys subscribe before you go and click that notification bell. So in today's video, we will be actually focusing on organizing the refrigerator and also the pantry area today. So the pantry isn't too bad. I kind of like the system that we already have, so I'm not going to be adding or taking away anything. I'm just going to be pretty much restocking in there. So for the refrigerator, so I am on the lookout for new things to organize the refrigerator. So I'm going to still be using the system that I currently have in the refrigerator. So once again, it's just going to be pretty much a restock. There'll be some cleaning motivation also in this video. So I really hope you guys enjoy it and hopefully you subscribe. Also follow me over on my Instagram at Leave It to Mom, where I show you guys some behind the scenes of what is going on over here on YouTube, and also some day-to-day things that I do for myself and for my family. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you guys all of the things that I pick up. I won't go individually with everything, but I'll just kind of give you guys an idea of some of the things that we like to eat within our household. So let's go ahead and get started. I've already pretty much categorized everything into sections. Everything over here is freezer food. This is all pantry items here. And then I also have refrigerator essentials over on this side. So to start over on this side, I just picked up some mini corn dogs and also the regular size corn dogs. The mini ones are more so for my little one. And I can just throw these in the air fryer and they are super crisp and delicious. I also picked up 2 bags of the Brussels sprouts and a bag of the golden crispy crowns. We do love like tater tots and stuff like that. And then I also picked up the ice cream sandwiches. I got them also in the minis for the little one for like after dinner treats, and then the big ones for like the older kids. And then these were actually on sale, so I really wanted to try it. I love the cupcakes. I really hope this is as delicious as the cupcakes. It's probably gonna be super sweet, but they were only $1, so I picked up one for each of us to try. And then I also picked up some extra small shrimp as well. I went ahead and got 6 of the whole kernel corn and 6 of the cut green beans. I got another pack of sugar, some powdered donuts, some Oreos, some chips, and the big bags. And then I also got the variety pack. I got some cereal, some muffins, 2 packs of the bubbly water. I really like these. I got the mango and the strawberry, birthday cake, mini muffins for the kids. And then I didn't know that they had the brown sugar, like Pop-Tarts. So I grabbed a box of those and some popcorn. My kids go crazy for popcorn. Let me know if your kids love popcorn. I did not realize there was a true love for popcorn until my kids, like, honestly, they can eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner if you let them. I got some ranch, some teriyaki sauce, and some more coffee because we need our caffeine. And then I got 3 different types of bread. I got some regular bread for the kids' sandwiches. I prefer the butter bread or potato bread, so I grabbed me a bag of that, and then some hot dog buns because we can either throw some hot dogs on the grill or boil some and have like a meal for that. And then I also went ahead and picked up some more of this pasta. It's really, really good. And then 2 cans of the traditional pasta sauce for like spaghetti or lasagna. And then I got the red pack of Gatorade and a case of water. And then for the refrigerator, it was just the basic restocks. And then a couple of like special things like some cinnamon rolls to maybe make on the weekend. And then also some cookies. My kids love to bake as well, but the rest of this stuff is pretty much just necessities that go in the fridge. So that is pretty much everything that I got for this grocery haul. It looks like a lot, but like I said, we are a family of 5 and this is for the month, so not too bad. Definitely prices have increased through the roof, but we have to eat. So let's go ahead and start cleaning out this refrigerator and get this stuff. So this is the current situation in the refrigerator. Like, it's just looking sad, you guys. We are looking sad. We got some crap down there. I don't even know what that is. This door, not too bad, but it needs to be kind of reorganized. Everything is pretty much empty. It was time to just kind of get everything slowly, like getting rid of things, because I knew I was going to be going grocery shopping this week. So that's why it looks very minimal. And we've been eating out quite a bit lately because sometimes it just seems cheaper to just eat out than it is to cook at home sometimes. I'm gonna get this all squared away and back refreshed. I'm gonna fill up my ice trays that I haven't filled up in a really long time. Let's get started.
Who do you think you are? You say you wanna talk, but all I'm hearing is a monologue. Who do you wanna be? You say you're really deep, but I can tell you don't know what that means. You can swim in shallow waters, but it's gonna get you nowhere. And I'm way too good to waste my time on boys like you. Can you speak without a filter? Can you give me something better? I bet you do. Hey baby, if you wanna get to know me, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Hey baby, if you want me to be with you, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Come on, give me something real, doesn't have to be ideal, just a part of you that's honest, that's all I want. Hey baby, if you wanna get to know me, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Could you shut up for once, relax that eager tongue, and let me tell you something about myself. I'm not the clueless one, I'm neither weak nor dumb, so I don't buy this version of you. Hell no. You can swim in shallow waters, but it's gonna get you nowhere, and I'm way too good to waste my time.
All right, you guys, so now we are going to switch gears on over to this huge pile of laundry. I have literally let this pile up for about 3 days or so, but I will say I caught up on all of the laundry. Now it is just time to fold it and put it all away.
I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need.
All right, you guys, so let's be honest. I do not match my socks or fold my undergarments right away. I wait till like it's time for me to like watch a good movie, and then I'll sit and do all of that. But let me know down in the comments if you guys are a fold and match your sock kind of person, or if you are a wait till later.
Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. It's been chaos from the start. Can't believe I made it this far. Guess I needed it to see. Never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need is you out the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy, up to no good. Trying to be a man, but you're stuck in boyhood. Baby, you won't ever treat me the way you should, so it's over for good. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. crazy.
8 of these yellow wood decking screws in the 3-inch length. And
I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need is you at the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy, up to no good. Trying to be a man, but you're stuck in boyhood. Baby, you won't ever treat me the way you should, so it's over for good. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Why do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you? It's been chaos from the start. Can't believe I made it this far. Guess I needed to I'm indecisive, I'm hard to read. I'm like a fake, it's so hard to leave. Got a few tricks up my sleeve. You're decisive, know what you want. We both know my heart can't be gone. Maybe we're in it for the end. Oh, I see that you see me, that you need me. Not to waste your time. I see that you see through. You're impatient, let the stars align. The way you.
So I am really excited to share this next DIY with you guys. So this is a Valentine's porch planter. I did intend to do the full porch decorating for Valentine's in this video. However, it did not go as planned. However, I will have that for you guys in next week's video. So if you have not subscribed yet to my channel and have enjoyed this video so far, please consider subscribing and click that bell so that you are notified of when I do upload next week's video and future videos. So you can also follow me over on Instagram, also at Leave It to Mom. There is where I share behind the scenes of my day-to-day life, my different routines, and what me and my family do on a regular basis. So make sure you follow me over there on Instagram. I would love to have you. Also, comment your name down below so that we can get to know you over here on YouTube and become a part of the YouTube family. For this DIY, also, I have added what is needed on the screen for you guys, and I will also have it down in the description box if you are interested in recreating this Valentine's porch planter. And of course, if you have any questions about anything in any of my videos, please do not hesitate to ask down in the comments, and I will definitely answer any questions you may have. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I had so much fun filming it for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video and content like this, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you would like to see more DIYs when I'm in my creative mode and you want me to film it, let me know that as well so that I am giving you guys the content that you guys would love to watch. Also, hello to all of my new followers. Thank you guys so much for following my channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed and follow me over on Instagram at Leave It to Mom, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.
Just like the